Hey guys, today we are playing Sons of the Forest. Today is part one of many. I just got in a helicopter crash and a dude came up to me with a gun and hit me. I woke up and I got my supplies, including the emergency bag. Kevin was on the ground and got brain damage and went deaf in the helicopter crash. And now we start our journey and find a base location. I found a dude with a flashlight, so I brung him down and took the flashlight off of him. There was a random person that was trying to attack me. So I had to do one thing that I didn't want to do. I found some red smoke, so I went over there. It was a person, and I think he was on his last breath whenever I got there because he instantly didn't make it. Then I started hearing screams, and then I saw a modern axe on the ground with somebody holding it, so I instantly picked that up and I searched the boxes and the briefcases. And again, I didn't want to do the thing that I did. I found a good base location. So I started setting up a camp, and this is where our base is gonna be. I found a golf cart. Color was blue. Those other golf carts, but they didn't work. But there were some batteries. I also found this indestructible camera. It just didn't break. I told Kelvin to go get some sticks for the base. I was thinking about putting stick spikes around our base. Kelvin brung back 5 sticks after like 5 minutes. So I told him, just take a break. And here comes night, so I had to go to sleep. And now today, we have a big day. I finished one side of the base. Now I just need to finish the other side, and then we can start putting up some defense walls. Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for today. And I'm gonna tell you guys, I'm going to play with the YouTuber Dominator1128. You should go check it out, his channel. He's really good. Go subscribe to him. And that's it. And remember, this is one out of many.